Okay, so some of you may have this similar problem. Not what you want coming right out of there. So pop this lid off like so, and you can see exactly where she's leaking. So I just use a set of needle nose, go in there, put them in there, turn to tighten, turn to loosen. Loosen that up. And then here's the little doohickey. And as you can see, there's the problem. So just take that off of there. There's the problem right there. I just stacked on a couple O-rings to make it thick enough, because these are kind of thin, and stack them on there. Let's put her back in there. Put this there. Tighten that up. It just needs to be hand tight, or you can tighten it up a little bit more. You actually have to tighten it up a little bit with the needle nose. And she's drier than popcorn. For a few cents you can fix it and don't have to buy a kit or anything. So there you have it. Hope this helped you.